Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and today I am doing more of my Inktober. This one is week 3, and again, if you haven't watched the other videos, I'll link the playlist down below. I've only got 2 other ones. I'm just doing week to week, and you can see them if you're interested. They're just really quick. You know, I'm doing the whole week in one video. Just because each one was really short. And the prompt list I'm using is from Julie Fei-Fan Balzer from Balzer Designs. She's doing an Inktober, a print Inktober. But I thought I would use her prompts because I liked them. And the first one was oldest. So that was my oldest mark making tool. It was just a triangle cut out of cardboard and then one side peeled off so you could use the corrugation on the inside. And I've used it in a lot of art journal pages. Now the next one was animal, so I did this bird. I bought it on clearance. I haven't used it in a long time. I didn't know how to make it like a repeat pattern, so I just stamped 2 of them on there. And again, I'm going in rainbow color. I'm up to green. I'm out of the yellows and up to green. The next one, the prompt is unused. So I bought these, I think they're fondant texture rods or something. And I tried using them on the gel plate and they just slide around. So, I mean, I guess, well, not this one. I have 2. So this is one and then there's another one. I tried one, it slid around, and so I haven't used them, so I consider it unused. Anyway, so we're going to try and use it to make some inky marks. I decided it was almost as good just to like flick it and let it roll itself. So there's that one, unused. Okay, so the next one is repeat. So technically anything I stamp over and over again is a repeat. But this one has kind of a repeat of squares on the little block. So I decided that would be my mark. And I'm just stamping it along. This one would have worked for geometric too back in, what was that, week 2. Alright, so there we go for repeat. The next one was, the prompt is human. Yeah, I wasn't sure what I was going to do for this one. Hopefully this acrylic ink is not toxic in any way. If it is, it's too late. It didn't say cadmium anything, so I'm good, right? Yep, human. There we go. I decided I wanted more filling up the spaces, so I just keep adding marks. There we go. So the next prompt is blue, and of course I'm in color order. This says green on it. It has kind of a bluish tinge, but the point, what I decided was I would pick a stamp that was blue, and there was blue on that stamp, so that's the one I'm using. And it is kind of a blue-green color, don't you think? I'm just creating a repeat. There we go. That's green. Alright, so the next one, and the last one for today, I believe, is combo. So I grabbed snowflake and a dragonfly. I wanted contrasting combo. I mean, who sees a snowflake and a dragonfly in the same scene? Well, you're getting it on my collage paper. And it's coming in a teal color. So I'm just going to alternate back and forth. Snowflake, dragonfly, snowflake, dragonfly. And that snowflake could be mistaken for something else. It's kind of messy on there. But that is the last one for the week. And I've got a little bit of a flip through so you can see them all, not that you didn't already see them. And then at the end, the cleanup papers, which my gel plate's getting really kind of grungy on there, and I decided at the end I will pull a gel print off of there and see what it looks like. So I hope you liked that. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. Have an awesome day.